Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my Vestnet TV home channel. So I have a DIY channel and a cooking channel. So on my home channel, I'll show you hauls of different things that I've purchased, and I'll do home tours and small renovation projects. Well, and big ones too if we do big renovations. We're not planning on it yet, but so that's what you can expect from this channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you all the lovely things that I bought for spring, Easter, but not a lot of Easter theme, but I'll be using a lot of this stuff in my Easter decor. From the Dollar Tree and Dollarama, I did a really big haul because a lot of these florals and things that I bought, it'll carry me on for the summer. So I'll have to do one more quick trip to get a few Easter specific things, but this is pretty much it that I'll be using for Easter, spring, and probably a lot of my summer DIYs. Okay, so let's get started. So all of these items I got from the Dollar Tree. I got a whole bunch of florals, some spring, some that can transition into summer, some green stuff just because I like those as fillers. And I'm not going to spend the entire time talking. I'll just kind of chime in here and there. But all of these things, as I said, I'll be using in my spring and summer decor. Some of these things I've already used in my DIYs, so if you check out my DIY channel, you can see where I've used some of these things. With most of these things, I don't actually use them as is. I wind up painting them, redoing them, taking them apart, all sorts of different things. I'll see something that I like at the store, and then I kind of think about what I'm going to use it, which project I'm going to be using it for. A lot of these things, like this little picket fence, I'm not entirely sure what I'll be using it for, but I know that I've seen different projects that I would like to use it for, so I will use it somewhere, and some of them I had planned out for things that I'm going to be making. For me, it's always better to kind of plan out what I'm going to be using these things for, but because we're in lockdown, then we're not in lockdown, then we are in lockdown, I thought it's better if I just buy as much as I think I'll need, and then I will figure out how to use it in projects if I don't have one in mind. But usually I have an idea of what I'll use it for. So I got these Valentine's boxes because they were 50% off, and I saw a little while ago a little DIY with these boxes, so I'll be painting them out and making a DIY. And then I always like to get these little wooden pictures that they have because you can paint them out and they're nice and sturdy, and you can use them in all sorts of decor. So I've been waiting for for them to have these dice for a long time. So they did wind up having some. So I bought a few of these, and then I bought a few of the ones that were 2 in a pack as well. I was really excited to find this wall vase, so if you have some time, head on over to my DIY channel, see what I did with it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So whenever I see these clear shelf liners at the Dollar Tree or Dollarama, I think these ones I got at Dollarama for $1.25. I always get them because they don't always have them, and I use them for Cricut for transfer paper or for stenciling. Then I got these eggs. They're clear eggs, white eggs that you can paint, and just all sorts of different shaped eggs. Our Dollar Tree didn't have a lot of Easter stuff out, so I went to Dollarama, and all this was either between $1 and like $3, just depending on the item. But a lot of the stuff you can find at the Dollar Tree when they have it all out. A few of these craft kits and socks and stuff like that I got for my kiddos too, because we like to do a lot of seasonal crafts, so I got those for us as well. So that's it for this haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and check out all of these DIYs over on all of these things used in my decor over on my DIY channel, or on Sunday I will have a tier tray decor display, which you can check out as well. Some of these things will be in there already.